Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2005 Ford Thunderbird 50th anniversary. This vehicle has 280 horsepower with a 3.9 liter V8 and a 5-speed automatic transmission. So, pretty interesting vehicle right here. The Thunderbird has a very unique design. Definitely looks, it's kind of like a, you know, pays tribute to like the vehicle designs of the past, like from a long time ago. It's definitely a very unique looking car, very interesting design, and I like the way it looks. It's pretty cool, definitely stands out on the road. You have Thunderbird badge in here. I like the Thunderbird logo on the seats over there. Pretty basic in here. No backup camera or anything. I mean, it is a 2005 car, so no surprise. This one has 74,857 miles on it. It's in pretty good condition. Let's go walk around this Thunderbird. I've never driven one of these, and I've never even sat in one of them. So yeah, really unique design on this car. It's a silver one. Thunderbird badge on the back, and looks like you have dual outlet exhaust on this car. Hard top. Let's see. So yeah, so lots of anniversary edition badges on this car. Well, let's take it out on the road and see how it drives. I'm 6'1", so I'm definitely a bit cramped in here. It's really hard for me to get comfortable in this car. But that's typically with all coupes or convertibles whenever I sit in one, because I don't really have much space, especially for my legs. So yeah, this does not have automatic headlights. I had to just turn these headlights on myself over here with that switch. Dang, that V8 sounds fantastic. Really, really nice sounding V8. And it accelerates pretty quick. It does 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds, which is not bad at all. 280 horsepower. And you know, 6.5 seconds 0 to 60 is not bad at all. Can't complain about that. We're driving in rush hour traffic right now. So we might be stuck for a little bit, so go. Definitely feels interesting when you know, get in a car from 20 years old, especially in today's world. I get in so many, you know, modern cars every single day to review and everything, and then they feel so different than this. But it is refreshing to just get in a car. There's no big screens or anything. It's just simplicity. That V8 in this car sounds fantastic. It really does sound great. It's a very smooth acceleration. Transmission's pretty smooth as well. But yeah, it gets up to speed quickly. It's pretty fun to drive, you know. It is a nice car to drive, that is for sure. Like, that V8 sounds amazing. Like, most V8s all sound really good. And yeah, for a 5-speed, it's pretty smooth. It's nice, and the seats feel pretty comfortable. Other than the fact that I'm pretty cramped. If you're not on the taller side, you won't have much. You won't feel very cramped or anything like I do right now. But overall, it feels pretty nice. It's a nice car to drive. See how it handles on these little corners or curvy roads. It's pretty nice. Yeah, I'm enjoying this drive for sure. It's quite nice. And I said, it's refreshing to sit in a car with a much older interior every once in a while. That sounds so good. Very nice sounding car. I love it. And yeah, this one, as I said, for being 20 years old, is in really good condition. The 74,000 miles, which is pretty low miles for a 2005 vehicle. This one was definitely taken care of. And it's nice. The blind spots, however, they are pretty hard to see through. I can't really see much when I look at my blind spot. Which is, you know, the territory with a lot of small coupes or convertibles. Yeah, overall this was a pretty nice driving car. It is it has a really unique design. You'll definitely stand out on the road when you drive this. V8 sounds fantastic. Transmission's pretty smooth. Seats feel comfortable. It's definitely like a more luxurious convertible, not one that you know just has like really hard seats, or is something that you can just drive as like a very rarely. But this car, like, if you, as long as you're not like, for like me, it's uncomfortable for me to drive like a convertible every day, but like if it's comfortable for you, this is nice. This is a nice car to drive for sure. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool and unique pre-owned vehicles like this 2005 Ford Thunderbird 50th anniversary.